Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP SmartTank 7301 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google, just search for HP SmartTank 7301 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that reads HP SmartTank 7301 all in one. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going underneath the support category that says software and drivers, go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down again, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button that corresponds to it. Once it's downloaded to your device, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then at this point, just follow along with the on-screen wizard, getting your printer properly configured to your device, whether you're using a wired or wireless connection basically, and any optional features or programs you want to install alongside of your printer. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.